Bernie from Mettex again. Today we're going to show you how to look after your rack 181. First of all, we'll start by showing you how the suction works on the tool, because it's a little bit different than the rack 180. So if we plug the tool on the air, move out this tag out of the way, and then what you've got here is a bit of a pin stored in the back of the tool. Now how your suction works is you've got on and off there, so we'll switch that on, and then you've got an handle where it's automatic or manual. At the moment it's set at manual, so you press that to gain your suction. If you want it on automatic, you hold the handle in and push onto the button in the trigger there, and that will hold the suction on. But for noise purposes we'll turn it off. That's how you do your suction on that. Next we'll show you how to change the jaws. This is the same process as the rack 180, but we'll go through it again anyway. 27mm spanner to remove your front sleeve. Comes off, it's a brand new tool, so you can see it's been greased because it's a moving part. We've got an 11mm spanner there, and 17 there. Just a normal thread, just turn it anti-clockwise. And then, as the rack 180, they are the same jaws, same part number. And you've got your spring, and you just want to make sure everything's clear, your tubes are clear, there's no swarf build-up, things like that. And just make sure your jaws are in good condition. Obviously these are brand new, so all the teeth are fully intact. If you have got a lot of swarf, just give it a good blowout. And we'll try to get these jaws back in first time. There you go, so your jaws go back in like that. Screw that back on. And then just pinch it up. You don't need to go mad with this. Just pinch it up. And then your front sleeve back on. It's always easier to put the sleeve back on if you're holding the piston back. Fasten that back up. And that's how you do the jaws. And then we'll just show you for the end is the priming procedure. So you've got a 4mm Allen key, which is provided with the tool. You remove the bleed plug. Again, as with the 180, it is important that you don't press the trigger when the bleed plug is removed. And then, similar to the 180, only with this, you keep your tool upright rather than putting it on the side. But everything else is the same. You screw your bottle onto your priming plug, and then you operate your plug a few times, and this will release any air that is trapped into the tool into the bottle. You do this if you're finding that it's taking 2 pulls to break your rivet, or if your rivets are getting stuck constantly, as generally there's an airlock in your tool. And that is the basic maintenance for the rack 180. 181, sorry. And then just pinch that up, not too tight. Clear off your excess oil. That's how you look after your rack 181. If you have any problems, give Bernie a call at Mettex.